What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. How you guys are doing? What's poppin'? How are you all? I do hope that you guys are well and that you are keeping safe. I know it has been a while since I've last picked up this camera and talked to you guys, but I'm here. Welcome back to another vlog. You are watching my real life vlogs, and if this is your first time tuning in to Rosie Rose TV, welcome to my channel. Now, this channel, I'm not sure how many of you would have known by now. I am not from Barbados, but have moved here a few years ago, and I decided to document my life as I navigate through a different environment. Hence the channel came into being, Rosie Rose TV. Basically, the channel was created to share with my loved ones back home what I am up to. So yes, that is how my channel came into being. So if you didn't know, you know now. On this channel, my videos are pretty down to earth. It's just basically me just living my life and just sharing with you guys. So this is Rosie Rose TV in a nutshell for you. But yeah, so I am here on my lunch break. I am working from home. This is the setup. I have been working from home. I have been working from home since the 18th of this month. I'm not sure how long it's gonna be for, but yes, I'm working from home. So I'm on my lunch break. I'm about to get up, get something to eat. This morning I woke up early as in 6 a.m. and I did my laundry. I still have to tidy around the house. I feel like every time I pick up this camera to talk to you guys, it's either I am getting my laundry done or tidying around the house. But this is what my life consists of. Yeah, what is there to do other than tidying around my house, doing my laundry, running errands, working from home? We all are in a pandemic, so there is nowhere to go now. So yes, so this is my life. This is Rosie Rose life. So yeah. Yes, guys. So what are my plans, or what is on the agenda? So like I said, I'm on my lunch break, and I need to return something I bought from a store. I bought it on Monday. It worked for one day. Last night I went to use it and it was not working. So I contacted the store. So they told me to bring it back. I can either get a refund or exchange. So I'm going to exchange it. So I have to leave the house to return the item. But yeah. So I am hungry. I'm about to get something to eat, and I am going to pull you guys up later. Oh, I have some leftovers here. I did pizza when I did pizza, which was not yesterday, it was the day before. So I think I'm going to use that because that is the quickest thing to get. Now just warm it. I'm gonna warm it in the oven and get my butt back at my desk. It was only just now was 12 o'clock. Now it is 1:45. Like, for real? Anyhow, do you guys eat leftovers? Let me know in the comment section below, because I do, but my husband, he doesn't. He may go back at it like the very next day. Let's say that the pizza was done today, he will go back like tomorrow, but after then he's not touching that food. But me, I have to eat it until it is done. Ain't no time to be wasting food, not in this time, honey, when there are millions of people around the world would even glad to have this piece of pizza. I try to tell him that. So I'm gonna warm my pizza in the oven. Look, this is what the pizza look like. I'm back at my desk. I had to bring my lunch here with me because of course I'm late. So I have my pizza. I have already went into it, and water here. But yeah. Anyhow, so when I'm done working, I'm gonna pick you guys up and bring you guys along on my evening. Work is over. It is the beginning of my weekend. So it is now 15 minutes past 3. I went over 15 minutes past the hour because I started 15 minutes late, so I just give back the time that I would have missed. So yes, so I supposed to end at 3, but 15 minutes later because I was late. So I'm going to go pick up my clothes. Good afternoon. I'm going to go pick up my clothes, fold them, tidy my house, and so that way tomorrow I get to sleep in a little late. I wouldn't have a lot to do. I doubt whether that I am going to be leaving because I'm a bit exhausted. So I'll probably leave what I have to do tomorrow. I would ask hubby for a ride. Yeah, he just came in, so he would take me tomorrow to get my item exchange. So yeah, I'm starting my evening now, so let's begin. Oh, it's this Friday. I am happy about that. All right, you guys, so I am heading to the supermarket. Hubby came in and he said, let's do grocery shopping this evening. So that is where I'm heading. Get my bags. All right. Oops, my face mask. You guys, we finished doing our grocery shopping. Hubby went back to the cart back to the supermarket, so just sitting and waiting here for him. Oh my, this place is... I've been back home for quite some time from the supermarket. I was sanitizing my groceries and I'm still packing them away. By the way, let me know in the comment section below, do you guys, after returning from the supermarket, do you guys sanitize your groceries and pack them in your pantries, or just as soon as you come home from the supermarket you just take the goods out of the bag and straight to your pantries? Let me know, because I hope I am not the only one. I know it can be a bit time consuming, but it is still important to do so. So that is what I am doing, or rather just finished doing. So I'm still packing my grocery away. So later I am going to be prepping my dinner. I'm going to be doing some plantains and fried fish. I am going to be doing bangameri. I'm going to be frying some bangameri for dinner with some plantains, freshwater fish. Hubby, he's not going to be having what I am going to be having for dinner because he doesn't like freshwater fish. He probably is gonna prepare something for himself. But yeah, that is what I know that I am having for dinner: some plantains and fried fish. Now let me continue packing away. y'all. So it is almost 8:45. Yeah, I just finished cleaning, so I just relaxed a little and I decided to get up and tackle this cleaning. That way I can sleep in a little late tomorrow, being Saturday. Guys, the background noise, it's a noisy vehicle just passed there playing loud music. Anyhow, so yeah, I'm happy that I conquer that, but I still have the bedrooms to clean. I am going to do that tomorrow. So when I'm finished, usually when I'm finished tidying around the house, I like to put on my oil diffuser. So I am going to pop, this oil is eucalyptus oil. This is one of my favorites. So I'm gonna pour a little in. I bought it today when I went to the supermarket. I'm gonna put a little in. Oops. That's a lot. Oh, it smells really good, guys. I took my shower, feeling fresh, smelling good, feeling great. Yes, all those good stuff. So let me prepare my dinner. I usually fry my fish with breadcrumbs, but I do not have any, so I'm going to use a little bit of flour. Sprinkle some parsley flakes in the flour. You guys, I can't tell the last day I had a piece of fried fish. Can't tell the last day. I'm not going to be doing any fry planting. I'm just going to do some lettuce. Just going to pop a few into this air fryer quickly. Nothing too special, just a piece of fish and some fries, tartar sauce on it. Put some on the fish and some good old ketchup on the fries. I'm forgetting something. Smirnoff Ice. Ooh, I had this in the fridge chilling for a long time. Now 10:15, a very late dinner. But the only thing I had for the day, you guys saw me had my lunch, was a slice of pizza, and before that, this morning I had a cup of coffee. I have no plans for the rest of the night, just to relax, catch up on some YouTube videos, or maybe watch a Lifetime movie or some show on Netflix. Recently I have been watching a few shows on Netflix, but if you guys have any recommendations for some, really nice shows on Netflix, comment below and let me know. I would really appreciate it. Anyhow, let me finish off my dinner and I'm gonna pick you guys up. Back to the vlog. How you guys are doing? It is Saturday here. It's the very next day. I didn't get an opportunity to close off the vlog, but anyhow, this morning I got up around 10-ish and I tidied the bedrooms and I put away my laundry because I did laundry yesterday and I didn't get an opportunity to put it away, and then I just went straight back to bed. I got up like about 20 minutes ago because hubby, he called. He is making his way back home, so in a couple of minutes I am going to be leaving to head to town. Hope you guys are well. I am well. I feel really good, rejuvenated, because let me tell you guys, I slept. I'm gonna pick you guys up in a couple of minutes. I am heading now to get the stuff exchanged. Guys, you want to hear something funny? I am going to exchange the item, but I do not have any bill to show. I hope when I get there that they are going to remember me and that I purchase it from them and they're going to exchange it. So I am not sure how that is going to go, but when I get back I would let you guys know how it went. But yeah, so I'm wearing another one of my favorite head wraps. You guys would have seen me numerous times with the silver not silver. Is it silver? No, it's gray and black, you know, that head wrap. But yeah, so this is another one. Anywho, so I'm gonna pick you guys up in a couple of minutes because he is out there. Test that out.
I just want to plug this thing and see if it works.
Yeah. It's working?
Yes, ma'am.
So is there a light or something that's supposed to? Okay, because the light wasn't coming on that
On
one.
the next one.
You guys check it to see if it was, because I checked all my plugs and around the house and it just didn't work. Alright you guys, so I am back home. I got my item exchanged, which I'm super duper excited about that, without them asking for the bill. I was so worried that they were going to ask me, excuse me ma'am, where is the bill for the item? And I would have had to say, excuse me, I do not have it. But anyhow, they didn't ask, they just went straight ahead and they exchanged the item. So I'm happy about that. This is the item. It was one of the power strips I bought from them. While I was there, I also bought 3 face shields. This is what it looks like. I believe that these are being produced right here in Barbados. I could be wrong, but I think that they are being made here in Barbados. But yes, so you guys prepared for this mini lockdown that we are going to be having. I believe it's on from the 3rd of February to the 17th of February. The country is going to be on a lockdown, or rather a pause, for 2 weeks. I just passed the supermarket. You guys, oh my goodness, the line, the queue is so long. I feel like every time something is about to happen here in Barbados, Barbadians panic. I don't know why. The markets are still going to be open here, so it's no need for you to be rushing now and standing in that long line waiting. But to each his own, huh? But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and close off this vlog. Thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate you guys showing me the love and the support. I also feel really happy when you comment below, when you communicate, when you let me know what is up, if you like the vlog, you know, what are some of the things that I need to tweet in my vlog. You know, I really like the kind of feedback that I get from you guys. So yes, I just want you guys to know that I do really appreciate you guys watching my content and giving me feedback. So until then, you guys stay positive, stay safe, and I will definitely catch you guys in my next upload. Bye guys, peace.